Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to pick my winner of my hidden giveaway. I will leave the original video here if you did not get a chance to see it. It was my unboxing of my Die Hard club set for the month of June. I am gifting that to one of my lucky subbies. You did need to be a subby, and in the comments you did need to tell me. You needed to go to the stampsoflife.com website and tell me back in the comments what was your favorite product. So when I do the random picker, it'll choose somebody. We'll look at the comment, and if the comment satisfies all the requirements, then that'll be our winner. If it does not, well, that'll be our winner as long as they are a subscriber, which I will verify at another time. So if it doesn't pan out, I'll be back to draw another winner at a later date. In either case, I have put the URL in to this original video, Stamping and Metal Die Cut Monthly Subscription Kit. And I'll leave the link, I guess, in the description box below. You can check it out and see what you missed out on. But, okay, so here's the URL. We will filter duplicate users. So get YouTube comments. We have 10 unique comments. I'm going to start the picker. Good luck, good luck. And our winner is So Crafty 100. Very cute stamp and die set. So unfortunately, girlfriend, you didn't follow directions, and so you're not our winner. Let us do this again. So get YouTube comments. We're gonna start this picker again. Sharing more. Cute set. I love the Stamps of Life A2 gift card holder. I use it all the time. Thanks for sharing. Thank you so much, Ebony, for following directions and for watching my channel and for entering into this giveaway. Congratulations. Just email me. My email is in the description box below. Your mailing address. I believe I have it, but just in case, email me your email address, and congratulations. So thank you, subbies, for being such great people and for all your support and love that you show to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.